Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. A little impromptu unboxing today. I came home from work and there's a box here waiting for me. Now, this was very kindly sent to me from a channel viewer and subscriber, but he's got his own channel too, Reed from Shave Cave. Go and check him out. Yeah, really cool guy, really cool channel. Show him some love. Maybe give him a sub. Tell him Robert Redford's answer to YouTube wet shavers sent you over. Anyway, Reed said he was going to send me some stuff and it came today. I've no idea what's in here, so I thought we'd do a little unboxing and you'll see it as I see it and we'll see what's in Reed's gift box. So thank you, Reed. Thank you very much. Very kind, very generous, and I'm very excited. So, weapon of choice today. There it is, pink, to make the boys wink. And we'll crack on and we'll open this. Very wonderful, very kind, generous gift. Thank you, Reed. Well, let's see what we've got. These are the best days to come in from work and you've got a surprise on. Right. Season's greetings from Reed at Shave Cave. Thank you, Reed. Let's have a look. Here we go. Check this out. He sent me a cigar. Absolutely wonderful. Oh, that smells nice, that. Oh, that smells really nice. Thank you very much. Yeah. There you go, what a cigar. I will read the card privately. Thank you very much, Reed. And Mrs. Reed. I know there's a Mrs. Reed, isn't there? But we never really see her. But hello and thank you to Mrs. Reed if you watch this video. Woohoo! Here we go. Look. What's this? Oh wow! Check this out, guys. Alien Shave Splash. Now you sent me some of the Alien Shave shaving soap, didn't you, Reed? I've still got it in there. So there'll be an Alien Shave coming up. I'll look forward. As a matter of fact, let's open it. I don't know what scent's on here, but we'll open it. It's still sealed as well. Thank you very much, Reed. Very kind of you. Splash, what does it say? I can't see a scent, but there you go. Oh, that's like... Oh, yeah, that, do you know what? We used to get... That's cola bottles. That's cola bottles. Remember cola cubes? Come and have a sniff of my hand. Why? Infinitely more cola cubes than me. Have a sniff of that. It's cola cubes. It is, yeah. Cola cube. Wonderful. Thank you, Reed. Woohoo. There you go. Well... Samantha is going to be delighted. Check this out. Cameron's. What is it? Speciality coffee, cinnamon sugar cookie flavoured coffee. Well, both me and Samantha are big coffee drinkers. This type of coffee, that's going to go very well. Thank you, Reed. Absolutely wonderful. As a matter of fact, I will probably have one of those later on this evening. Thank you. And do you know what, Reed? I saw Reed getting this in one of his videos. He used this, and then when he messaged and said, "I'm going to send you some stuff," I'm absolutely grateful for anything. I mean, it really is wonderful and generous, and I would never presume or assume. But a little piece of me did think, I do hope he puts one of those in, and he did. Check it out. Pedro Fiasco, you know what this means? I get to try it and tomorrow's shave has just changed because I'm going to be using that. Thank you, Reed. Absolutely wonderful. Oh, coconut mushrooms. It's what is it with the English and the sweets? It smells like coconut mushrooms. Oh, what scent is that? Let me see. It's legendary shaving soap. I can't see what the centre on the back, coconut, yeah. So that's absolutely fantastic. Thank you, Reed. I'm absolutely delighted. In a tin as well. Wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. Oh no. Yeah. And we've got a HC&C. It's a haircut and shave. Is it haircut company now? Hendrix Classics. Oh my word, that smells nice, that smells proper Christmassy. What scent is that? I've no idea what scent. The card may tell. But that smells almost like pumpkin and sugar and spice and wonderful. And last but by no means least, check this out, Reed. I was after trying this. And with finances and availability and one thing and another, never got any. It's Reed. It's almost like you read my mind, buddy. Thank you so much. Check this out. Holy Black Secret Stash. Check that out on the back. How wonderful is that? Thank you so much, Reed. Yeah, spot on. It's like you read my mind, mate. Thank you very much. And that's it. Thank you. I'll read that card and then I will message Reed and then I'm going to go and film my shave video using Pedro Fiasco. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Thanks for watching. And thank you, Reed. Take it easy and I will see you on the shave. Bye.